Hi, I'm Edwin Tan. I manage Hydropro Singapore. Welcome to our DSV Hydropro 1. We have on board equipment that is surface supplied breathing apparatus, full air dive spread that is compliant to local legislative standards. Our dive team is at minimum 5 divers. That's our minimum manning level. Of the 5 men that are diving, 1 is the supervisor, the other is the diver, and then the diver has a standby diver, and there are 2 attendants attending to the 2 divers. So at all times there is a minimum 5-man diving team. Hydropro Singapore is approved by classification societies under International Association of Classification Society. We dive on full surface supplied breathing apparatus. We do not dive scuba. We utilize proper gear, KMB helmets. All our diving is tethered. We have a control panel fully plumbed with communications, audio and visual recording, CCTV, a supervisor manning the controls, men handling the umbilicals of the divers, divers diving, standby diver, the full works. The decompression chamber on board is class approved, meant for emergency purposes where decompression illness may be an issue during our work. Also things like barotrauma, cerebral arterial gas embolism. The decompression chamber is there to help mitigate those circumstances and also help save lives.